We're going to go through the steps to replace the pump only in a module for an 01 Ford Windstar. Remove the screw holding the cylinder in place and remove the 3 screws holding the top to the reservoir can. Disconnect the electrical connection and separate the reservoir from the top flange. Remove the pump assembly and discard. Thoroughly clean the inside of the reservoir and remove the external strainer. The Airtex fuel pump includes an upper and lower isolator, a strainer retainer nut, and assorted tank seals. You will be required to purchase the fuel strainers separately. With the lower isolator in place, install the new strainer. Install the upper isolator and position the pump into the top flange. Carefully install the top assembly onto the reservoir. Install the 3 retaining bolts on the module assembly and reconnect the electrical connection. Position and install the cylinder assembly and install the new external strainer. With the new pump installed into the module assembly, we're ready to install the complete assembly back into the tank.